はい、皆さん、こんにちは。ビンスです。今日の気分はどう？ Hello everyone, this is Vince. 今回ご紹介するのはこちらに表示した話題です。何を使うというについてお話ししていきたいと思います。I would like to discuss to you this topic indicated here, 皆さん。This one that is called Noni. Okay, this topic won't take us long, but I hope you will watch until the end. 最後まで見てもらえたら嬉しいです。I'll be happy if you will stay with me until the end of this lesson. And don't worry, this won't take too long. 皆さん、もしよろしければチャンネル登録、動画を高評価といいねボタンを押してくれて、高評価とチャンネル登録、ぜひぜひチャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。If it's okay with you, may I ask if you could press that like button and please subscribe to my channel. それでは皆さん、というわけで、それでは早速始めていきましょう。Very well then, without further ado, let's start discussing our topic for today. Let's begin. 始めていきます。First, I would like you to, this is not a long topic, 皆さん。So, but first, let us equip ourselves with vocabulary. 毎日 every day, and as I have said many times ago, the left side is the kanji writing here, and the middle part is the reading, and the right part is the English translation. Okay, so 毎日 every day, undo exercise, suru a verb that means to do, and then what do we have here? Zenzen means not at all, and this is a kind of adverb used in negative nuance expressions or negative nuance sentences. And then we have yaseru. Yaseru means for a human body to become thin or be slender. Okay, yaseru, to become thin or lose weight. Yaseru. Gakse, a type of noun that has no conjugation. Gakse. Kanojo has two meanings. Most of the time to denote a pronoun she, but in the second meaning is girlfriend. Benkyo, study. And benkyo is a type of noun that could be a suru type of verb. Benkyo suru means to make it verb, but the as study per se is just benkyo. Okay, so grammatically, this expression nuni, so we are still under our saga or series of episodes, saga of compound sentences. So this time we're discussing the nuni to mean despite. And when I say mean, not just to literally say or write despite, but also to exude a nuance that you want to mean despite. Okay, so grammatically, noni is used exactly the same. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, grammatically the noni is used exactly the same way as node. You remember the node, our topic, node, as part of compound sentence. So similar in pattern in the way you use node. There are some similarities. when used and it is used to combine simple sentences or mini sentences together, uh, it goes in this pattern, minasan, or it goes in this way. Okay, it is written in this way. You see the highlighted part in color yellow, it means sentence 1, and then despite the fact that, and then sentence 2. However, there could be some rearrangement in orders. Okay, so minasan, let me just show you some. Okay, there are 3 patterns actually, minasan. There are 3 patterns for this noni. So the usual pattern. Okay, usual pattern is, see this pattern, minasan, or a layout, should I say, layout or format, pattern or format enclosed in square brackets. Status or achievement or efforts plus noni, let's say blah blah blah, and that blah 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 is, say, status, achievement, efforts, and then plus noni, and then followed by another mini sentences, and then you say the unexpected actual situation, usually in a quite vexed manner, unexpected actual situation. So again, the pattern, this is pattern number 1, the usual pattern. Status or achievement or efforts plus noni, and then followed by the mini sentence number 2, which is usually unexpected actual situation. Okay, and then let me show you this alternate pattern. So this is pattern number 2, or alternate pattern 1. Noni, what if the noni can also be put at the end of your compound sentence? Noni can be also put at the end of your compound sentence. So it goes in this way, minasan, in this format or pattern. Actual situation or scenario, then blah 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 blah, and then you there's a statement of status or efforts done plus noni. So example minasan, there are 2 persons talking. Futari nga hanasteimasu. For example, 2 persons talking, say person A, person B, talking about the cooked katsudon. Katsudon no ajimi ga oishiku nakatta nda. So person A, katsudon no aji ga oishiku nakatta nda. The katsudon is not good in taste. And then person B, the one who cooked the katsudon, replies, そんなのか。作った時に塩と七味と胡椒をかけたのに。Again, person B, the one who cooked the katsudon, said, そんなのか。作った時に塩と七味と胡椒とかけたのに。そうなのか。作った時に塩と七味と胡椒をかけたのに。In English, person A said katsudon's taste was not good. And then person B, the one who cooked, person B, the one who cooked, said, in surprise tone, because in Japanese, this is kind of interjection in Japanese people. When they're surprised, they say, is that so? But and there's a nuance here, not necessarily explicitly said, but there's an implied indication of despite. This time, this is not explicitly said, but there's a nuance. But despite the fact, but when I was preparing, or when I was cooking, when I was preparing for it, I put salt, 7 season flavorings, which is the shichimi, and peppers on it, the corn peppers on it. When you put in a food, when you put something on your food, say kaketa or kakeru. Okay, so this is just an example of, you see minasan, person B, the one who cooked, explained, but I already put some flavorings on it. So the noni here is actually in nuance, exuding nuance, not necessarily being explicitly stated. Just like here, そうなのか、作った時に塩と七味と胡椒をかけたのに。Okay, person B, is that so? But yeah, but despite the fact here is, just like here, I enclose it in brackets because it's just, it is not necessarily explicitly said, but there's a nuance. But despite the fact, when I was preparing for it, I put salt, 7 season flavorings, and peppers on it. Okay, so that's pattern number 2, where the noni was sorry, then sorry minasan, what's happening here? Yeah, where the noni appears at the end, when the explanation was being done and put at the end. You see, actual situation or scenario, blah blah blah, and then blah blah blah, then a statement of status or actual status or efforts done, then you add the noni. So that's pattern number 2. What about pattern number 3? What about pattern number 3? This is the use of nanoni. Pattern number 3, or alternate pattern 2, the usage of nanoni. Blah blah blah, but despite that, blah blah blah, but despite that, or but blah blah blah, but even so, blah blah blah. Or in format or layout, format or pattern, narrative or efforts done, or status, then plus nanoni, unexpected outcome, then followed by unexpected outcome or unexpected result. For example here, this is quite a very long compound sentence. 怪我を心配して子供にナイフを使わない親も多いが、佐藤さんは小学生なのに、because there's a nanoni. The nanoni only happens if the noni is in the right side of a non-conjugated noun, just like here, shogakusei. Shogakusei is elementary. Shogakusei is a non-conjugated. Sato-san wa shogakusei na no ni kiyou na tetsuki de enpitsu wo kezutta. Okay, I repeat this compound sentence, long compound sentence. 怪我を心配して子供にナイフを使わない親も多いが、佐藤さんは小学生なのに器用な手つきで鉛筆を削った。Again, 怪我を心配して子供にナイフを使わない親も多いが、佐藤さんis the elementary student. 佐藤さんは小学生なのに器用な手つきで鉛筆を削った。Although there are also many parents that do not allow their children to use knives for injury, however, which is an indirect nuance for despite. However, the elementary school student Sato-san, despite this sentence here, dexterously sharpened a pencil with a knife. Sharpened a pencil with a knife is this part. Okay, 手つきで鉛筆を削った sharpened. 鉛筆 is the pencil, 削った is to sharpen. Okay, so that's pattern number 3 or alternate pattern number 2. Okay, minasan. So just like here, example number 2 here is using pattern number 3, dinano ni. Dinano ni only happens when the left side is a non-conjugated noun or a non-conjugated type of noun that is being capable of being an adjective. So just like here, gakse. Gakse is a noun and also gakse is a non-conjugated noun, and so when you want to use no ni in the middle, you have to prefix the no ni with na. Gakse na no ni kanojo wa benkyou shinai. Despite being a student, she does not study. Despite being a student, she does not study. Gakusei na no ni kanojo wa benkyou shinai. Here, example 1 is using pattern number 1. 毎日運動したのに全然痩せなかった。毎日運動したのに全然痩せなかった。Despite exercising every day, despite is right here. 何に Despite exercising every day, 毎日運動したのに I didn't get thinner. 全然 not at all. 全然 is an adverb here that has a nuance of not at all. 全然痩せなかった。I didn't get I didn't get thinner. Not at all. Yeah. So let me just so again, minasan. Again. Okay. Let me just point this out, minasan. Again, just like dino de, na must be prefixed to the left side of the noni, making it nanoni when the left side using the usual pattern, alternate pattern 2. Okay, when the left side bears a non-conjugated noun, when the left side using the usual pattern or alternate pattern 2, if the left side of the noni is a non-conjugated noun or non-conjugated na adjective type of noun. Okay, hence example number 2, the use of na prefix to noni. Okay, so resulting to blah 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 nanoni. Yeah. Okay, just like here, gakusei nanoni kanojo wa benkyou shinai. But actually, minasan, if you start the sentence with nanoni, it has the nuance of being but even so, gakusei nanoni. Okay, let's say there's a sentence before this. Kanojo wa gakusei desu. And then the second sentence is nanoni benkyou shinai. But even so, but despite that, kanojo wa benkyou shinai. But despite that, she does not study. Okay, minasan, so we have reached the last part of our lesson. That's all for today, minasan. 今日はここまでです。授業終了なんです。Okay, 今日はここまでです、皆さん。We've reached the last point, 皆さん. And I thank you for staying with me and for supporting me. 応援してくれて、チャンネルを応援してくれて、本当にありがとう。今日はここまでです。Our lesson is now have reached the last point. 終了なんです。もう終了なんです。お疲れ様でした、皆さん。So, I thank you for watching until the end. 最後まで見てくれて、誠にありがとうございました。ご覧いただき、誠にありがとうございました、皆さん。So, very well then, 皆さん。Thank you for watching until the end. I'll see you in the next lesson, 皆さん。それでは皆さん、また次の動画でお会いしましょう。I'll see you in the next lesson, 皆さん。And thank you for supporting me and helping me grow this channel. それでは皆さん、ありがとう。切るぜ。ありがとう。バイバイ。Our topic is this next topic here. ありがとう皆さん。バイバイ。